Still relying only on Airbnb in Australia? You are losing money every month and control over your guests. Let me show you a demo where our website is synced with our live calendar using a PMS software like Batch24, or it can be a Guesty or Hostaway PMS solution. In this video, I will show you a live example of a project we completed for one of our clients' company named Private Stays. To start with, my client already had a website built in WordPress using a paid theme, which is excellent for displaying listings, performing search, and also had a booking feature. But here is where the challenge begins. My client wanted to load the listing information, the availability calendar, and process the payment through a third-party API company called Batch24. The first step we took was to connect the client's listings on the website to Batch24 software. Batch24 is a vacation rental management software. We began by loading all the listings from Batch24 into the client's backend. The listings was loaded in a way that seamlessly integrated with the active theme design, reducing the workload and thus saving our time. This data included images, title, descriptions, and all the attributes related to each listing. Once the listings were loaded, the next task was to keep the images up to date and load them. Images were loaded separately because they takes time, so it's more efficient to run a separate script for them. After images, next important task was to load the calendars for each listing and keep it up to date. The calendar is updated once per day and also refreshed every time someone opens a single listing on the website. This ensures that we always see the latest available dates. Now the next task we focused was on displaying prices to customers based on the dates they select for their vacation. The offer price generated through the offer API is dynamically loaded, ensuring users always sees the most recent pricing. Now comes the final part. After checking the prices, user can proceed to place a booking. When they click the final button to book, they are taken to a checkout page where they enter their credit card details. As soon as the payment is successful, the reservation is saved in the backend of the website. Simultaneously, the most important, the same booking is sent to the Batch24 software through the API, which allows the property owner to manage bookings and invoices in the same software. The entire process helps my client manage their listings from a single centralized place. They can edit listings, communicate with customers, process payment, manage invoices, all from same centralized software connected to their website. One of the benefits of using this solution is that your guest books direct and there is no middleman. You save 10 to 15% in fees per booking. Not only this, you also get your guest data, which you can use to build repeat stays. One of my Australia's clients just got 2 direct bookings in their first week after setup.
Hello, I just want to make a short little video here about Rajneesh and the work that he did to really help out my company. The work was very timely, very professional. There was absolutely no bugs in the code that he wrote. And it was direct API integration between Stripe and Caspio that I use for my database. So I highly recommend Rajneesh, and fantastic work, on time, a true professional, and I will be using him again. I highly recommend Rajneesh. Thank you.
Want a rental website like this for your Australian listing? I specialize in helping hosts set it up with zero technical work. Just DM or WhatsApp me, I'll walk you through it myself.